Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the video about I am gonna updating my Monstera stem cutting and water propagation that I have made two months. Yes, 2 months ago, and I am also going to be showing you how I'm potting them, what kind of pot and soil I am going to use for this potting. All right, so let's get into it. I want to show you very closer to this root. Okay, I cut this stem 8 weeks ago, and I started to see very tiny root after 3 weeks from the aerial root. So if you make a stem cutting, and that would be very great, there is an aerial root in your cutting so that you will see the root faster, but it's not really necessary. But generally you will start to see the root after 3 to 4 weeks of cutting. But if you keep them where they can have brighter sunlight, then you will see the root faster, I guess. But I keep this cutting in my kitchen counter where they can have the low to medium sunlight, and I change the water once a week, just a regular water. If you are wondering when you can move from the water to the soil potting, so I would say if you start to see your root is about like a 3 to 4 inches long, that they are ready to go. So in this case, this guy is definitely ready, but it's really not necessary. I have seen that many people, they keep their cutting in the water for like 1 year or 2 years, and the bunch of root bow in the water, which is okay too. They can live without soil, but if you pot them into the soil, then they will grow faster and they will shoot up, and give you the new branches faster. In the water, then they will grow, but they grow a little bit slower because water doesn't provide good enough nutrition. Before we get into this, I want to talk a little bit about what kind of media I'm going to use for this cutting. So to be honest, I already make potting for this cutting 3 days ago, and I use leca bowls. Leca is a very popular growing media after the soil, and I have seen that many people use it, and they were very happy about it. But I realized that I cannot use the leca alone without nutrition, because leca doesn't provide any nutrition, so that you need a hydroponic fertilizer for the leca, and we cannot use normal fertilizer that you use for the soil. All right, so if you're considering to use the leca, you should definitely get a fertilizer first, then you can start the process with the leca. So I am going to repotting this plant from the leca to the soil. And when I'm talking soil, I am really not using soil. I am going to use this kind of compost. You can see here very close that this compost is very airy and light, and they provide very well nutrition, and they are not very compact like soil. Especially compost that I'm using now, they are very chunky. See, they use lots of different bugs to mix. So I think this is the perfect media for the Monstera, which like your soil to be dry out completely between watering. And I am gonna also mixing with perlite. This is actually my first time of using perlite. I've never tried it before, and I make some research about perlite, and many people talk very positive about perlite. It helps water drain faster and bring more oxygen around the soil. So I think, okay, I can try it, right? In addition, I want to talk also about pot. This time I wanted to use this terracotta because this guy allow air and water to move through the well. Many of the people who use, they experience that if you use the terracotta pot, the water dry out faster compared to the plastic pot. So that I am gonna be using this, and let's see how it is. I'm gonna be mixing with perlite and bark together. Maybe a little bit more. I think that will be enough. Since this compost that I am using today is airy and light, so I don't think I need to use a lot of perlite. But if you use on normal regular planting soil, then you might have to mix a lot. I think it is even more than enough. Okay, just put it like this. Okay, so I'm just gonna gently place here. This compost is very light and airy. I think I made a good choice. I don't know, let's see. I will update you in a few weeks. They are doing well or not, you know, but I think it's gonna be okay, right? And now I'm going to water them. Wait, where? Okay guys, this is, I already watered them, and this is the final result. Okay guys, this is the final result of potting. I smell the soil, the smell, smells so good. It's really remind me of spring and summer. Yes, but I am gonna update you in a few weeks, no, a few months, okay? If you're interested, please stay tuned, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.